This was my first time setting up a drip irrigation system, but this kit made it so much easier than I thought it was going to be. At first, I was a little overwhelmed by how much came in this kit, but the instructions were really intuitive. Setup was as simple as taking the drip irrigation heads and attaching them to these spikes that go into the ground and keep them in place. I started by measuring where my irrigation heads were going to go, space them about 1 to 3 feet apart, then use some scissors to cut the irrigation tubing to length. Connect the heads with the tubing and give it a little tug to make sure it's secure. Once all the irrigation heads are connected, you can close it off by either looping the end to keep the water flow consistent, or you can just top them off with these little plugs that come with the kit. Once you figure out your layout, you can connect them all together. Starting from the end, I plugged up one side of the hose connector. These hose connectors allow up to 4 lines, but I only wanted 2, so I plugged up 2 of the 4. Then connected the 6mm tubing into the remaining outlets and connected it to the rest of the drip system. Next, you want to connect the larger 15mm hosing. This is going to act as your water supply, and you can use it to add multiple raised beds under one irrigation zone. This drip irrigation system can connect to a standard hose with this attachment. Once you've reached the end of your irrigation system, you just connect the hosing into the thread. Then turn on the hose or your timer and watch the magic happen. Twist the top of the irrigation heads to control the water flow. And that's it! Drip irrigation made easy. I linked the product so you can get one for yourself.